Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix not able to go live on Instagram. So one of the ways to fix that problem, you can go back to your screen, then go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, and then what you're going to do, you're going to just type right here Instagram and make sure that you updated your Instagram to the latest version. Now what you're going to do, you're going to just go back to your screen, and if that problem still goes, what you're going to do, go ahead into your settings and then go ahead to the general and then go ahead to the software update, so you can check if there is a new update in your iPhone. So what you're gonna do now, if that problem still occurs and you updated your iOS to the latest version, you can go back to your screen, go ahead to your basically Instagram, click on your profile at the bottom right, and then click the three bars at the top right here. Basically click OK right here. Basically let me see right here, this is the tools in the main settings. Go ahead and scroll a little bit down, until you find the help center, right? And then go ahead right here to the help center, and what you're gonna do, you gotta just go ahead into reporting a problem, okay? And then just go ahead, report a problem without shaking button. Basically you can include and continue, and then basically explain your problem to Instagram. Okay, so take a screenshot of your story, right, of your camera, and tell them that you don't see the live button on your Instagram. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.